Hi there, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Hagerman National Wildlife Refuge. We've got a bunch of snow geese out here. I'm gonna zoom in here in a second, but I want y'all to see the big picture of how many we've got out there, and then I'm gonna zoom in on some of these beautiful snow geese that come from Canada, and they're migrating south. They're gonna end up at the Gulf Coast of Texas. They planted this winter wheat, and Hagerman National Wildlife Refuge, they have the visitors center up there where we were just at, talking to the people up there. They were telling us about the geese and the different birds that are here, but these snow geese are just beautiful. Look at the different color morphs. A lot of them are snow white with little black tips on their wings, but then there are other ones that are gray and blue, like this one right here in the middle of the screen. It's blue. That's just a color variant, a color morph of the snow geese. They call them the blue geese, but they're just a snow goose. They cross back and forth, and they're all the same species. And so that blue one, it's got a white head, and the rest of it's blue. And then we've got some of them that are gray, and really beautiful birds. And they're all stopping here in Hagerman National Wildlife Refuge as a sanctuary, a safe place for them to stop on their migratory route. And they plant winter wheat here at Hagerman. We're at, it's right on the coast of Lake Texoma. We've got the lake over here on the other side of the road. But all kinds of different varieties of geese, not just snow geese, but other white-fronted geese and Canadian geese, ducks, all kinds of migratory birds stop here in Hagerman National Wildlife Refuge. And a lot of times they'll stop in farmers' fields. You know, on my bicycle rides, I'll see groups of geese like this out in farmers' fields, usually not this big, groups not this big, but it's dangerous for the geese because they put out, you know, hunters will be out there, they put out decoys, and they'll shoot, you know, hunters will shoot the geese. So this is a safe place where they can rely on every year to come through and not have to worry about being hunted. They can just stay here and eat the winter wheat that's planted just for them, and they can stay safe and fill their bellies or crops or whatever you would call their stomachs. And you know, actually, to get real technical, a goose doesn't have a stomach. It has a crop or a gizzard. I'm not even sure. But they fill themselves up with food and continue on. But this is an important stop because they can spend weeks and weeks here. They said in the visitors center that they'll eat this winter wheat until it's all gone, and then they'll continue on towards the coast. Beautiful birds, noisy birds, snow geese. You don't normally see snow geese around here, but every year at this time, they come through here on their migratory path. And I hope y'all enjoy watching them and hearing them. Very pretty birds. A little while ago, they all took off and flew into the lake, and then something scared them, and now they're back. But I'm not going to try to scare them because I want them to just enjoy their time here and tank up on that green grass. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching. Until next time, y'all have a great day. Bye-bye.